Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Today we'll be going through Cambridge International AS&A level Mathematics Paper 2 Pure Mathematics 2 9709/02 Specimen Paper 2020. Question number 1. The polynomial, polynomial is given where a is a constant is denoted by p of x. It is given that fx plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Find the value of a. So we can put this one x plus 1 equal to 0 and x will be equal to minus 1. So we'll have to find p of minus 1 and replace p of minus 1 equal to 0. So p of minus 1 we will be replacing x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial. So 2 into minus 1 cube plus a into minus 1 square minus a into minus 1. We have replaced in this one x is equal to minus 1 and we will put equal to 0. So our equation will become, this will be 2 and this will be minus 1. So minus 2 and plus this will be plus 1 into a will be a, minus into minus will be plus, so plus a, and there is this minus 12 also which we missed, so we'll add here minus 12 is equal to 0, so this will be minus 12 equal to 0 and this will be 2a and this one will be minus 14, so on the other side it will be 14, so a is equal to 14 over 2 which is equal to 7. So this will be our answer. B part, when a has this value, find the remainder. Now a is equal to 7. If we replace in the polynomial, so what will be the remainder? Similarly this one x plus 3 we will replace equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 3 and we will be finding p of minus 3 and p of minus 3 will be 2 into minus 3 cube plus 7 into minus 3 square minus 7 into minus 3 minus 12, and this will be the polynomial. Now we have to find the remainder. We will just open this one and we'll get the remainder. So 2 into this will be minus 27 plus this one will be 9 into 7 will be 63 and minus into minus will be plus, and this will be 21 minus 12, and if we add this will be minus 54 plus 63 plus 21 minus 12, this will be equal to 18, so the remainder will be 18. Remainder is equal to 18. Now question number 2, solve the equation 3 sine 2 theta tan theta is equal to 2. For this range we have to solve this. So what we can do, we can write sine 2 theta, we know this one, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. This is the formula which we will be applying, and we will be replacing this one over here sine 2 theta, so this will become 3 into sine theta cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta, so 2 sine theta cos theta. We have replaced sine 2 theta with this one, and this will be tan theta is equal to 2. Now we can replace tan theta, so this will be 6 sine theta cos theta, and sine theta, tan theta will be sine theta over cos theta. So we will write here cos sine theta over cos theta is equal to 2. This cos theta will cancel with this, and this will be 6 sine square theta is equal to 2. So sine square theta will be equal to 1 by 3, and this implies theta is equal to sine inverse. Basically we can take a root on both sides, so we can write this implies sine theta is equal to plus minus 1 over under root 3, and now we can write theta is equal to sine inverse plus minus 1 over under root 3. And now we can take the positive and negative values separately. So if we take positive value, so positive value will be resulting us theta is equal to 35.3 degrees, and negative value, if we consider, it will be giving us theta is equal to 180 minus 35. This will be, we can write theta is equal to 180 minus 35.26, and this will be equal to 144.7. We can use calculator to find this one. Sine inverse, basically sine inverse of 1 over under root 3. This is for positive value, and if we check positive value we will get this one, sine inverse of this one. It was in radian mode, so you need to find the degree mode, and this was the value. So if we calculate, this will be 35.26 or 35.3, and if we take the negative value, and negative value will be over here. If you take negative value, this will be minus this one, so 180 minus this 180, and answer will be equal to, basically 180 minus answer will be equal to this one. So I will directly write minus 35.3, and this will be equal to 144.7, and this is 144.7. Basically we can find this, and then we can write 180 minus this one, or even we can take this as like for example we can take sine inverse of 1 over under root 3, and we have to take this one as minus, so we'll put minus, and then we will close the bracket, and this will be equal to minus 35.26 minus this one. So 180 minus this value will get this one, 144. This is also done. Question number 3. It is given that A is a positive constant. A is a positive constant. Sketch on a single diagram the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 3a mod and y is equal to x plus 4a mod. To sketch this curve, first of all, we will draw a coordinate. So coordinate axis will be like this one. We can take this as y-axis, and this side we can take it as x-axis. So this is our x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. So for this value, for example this value, we can take 2x minus 3a, y is equal to this one. This equation I have taken. So in this mod, if we take a is equal to, for example, we can take any positive value. They are saying a is any positive value. So we can take any value, but to keep in the range of x and y. because whatever value we will be taking here, this will be affecting our y-intercept. This is like in the form of y is equal to mx plus c form it, right? So whatever we will be taking value over here, this will be affecting our y-intercept. So we will take a is equal to, we can take 1, we can take even 2 also, but the y-intercept value will change. So if we take x, a is equal to 1, this equation will become y is equal to 2x minus 3. And now we can draw this equation. If we draw this equation, y-intercept is minus 3. So we can take minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, roughly I've taken equal. So this is like minus 3, it's passing through minus 3, and the slope is plus 2. So 2 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can take from here 2 units will be the slope. So rise will be 1 unit and 2 units. So this will be the second point. So we can draw this equation like this one. So this will be the line which is representing this y is equal to 2x minus 3a. And when we take mod of this one, this is basically a is equal to 1 case. A is equal to 1 case. So when we are taking mod, we are ignoring this negative, and this is also changing to the positive side. So it will become to the positive side, and we will take this one as 1, 2, 3. So this will shift to the positive when we are taking mod. So the changed line will become like this one. So this will be the line, this one and this one, and we can erase this. If we can keep this also, but better to erase this so that we can draw the curve, because this is mod. So this is basically the sketch for this y is equal to 2x minus 3, this one. Now we will be sketching for the other given equation, y is equal to 2x plus 4. So again, this one, y is equal to 2x plus 4a. Mod a will be equal to, for example, we are taking again 1. So our equation will become y is equal to 2x plus 4. So 4 point is plus 4. So this will be passing through this point. We are taking this one as 4. So this one 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's passing through this one, and slope is positive again 2. So 1 unit up over here and 2 units this side. So this line will be passing through this one. We can draw, like for example over here we can extend this. So this one will be the line, this is the parallel line, this is parallel to this one. So 2x plus 4, and this side also, for this one negative side, this will be the negative side. This one negative side, I'm not drawing, I'm showing you this is the negative side, and we can shift this negative side also to positive side, and this will be the sketching for this. So this is V shape, this one, and V shape, this one will be the two sketches for this. Hopefully you got this. Then second part, state the coordinates of each of the points where each graph meets the x-axis. So on x-axis we know y is equal to 0, so we can put y is equal to 0. So equation will become 2x minus 3a is equal to 0, and the second equation will be okay, so we'll solve this one first. So 2x is equal to 3a, so x is equal to 3 by 2a. So 3 by 2a, and point will be, this is our x value 3 by 2a, and y value is 0, so this will be our point 3 by 2a and 0. So in the second equation, when we replace y is equal to 0, we will get 2x plus 4a is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to minus 4a, so x is equal to minus 2a, and our point will be minus 2a and 0. And when we replace x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 4a in the second equation, and the point will become 0 and 4a. And in the first equation, if we replace x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to minus 3a. Basically minus 3a will change to plus 3a because of mod, so we'll get 0 and 3a. So we'll get these points. Hopefully you understood this. Now B part, solve the inequality. So this inequality we have to solve. So what we can do, we will have to first get rid of this mod situation. So what we can do, we can take square on both sides. This side mod square and less than the other side 2x plus 4a mod square. After taking square, we can leave the mod. So 2x minus 3a is less than 2x plus 4a. This will be square because we have taken square, so we are leaving the mod. Now we can open the square. This will be 4x square, opening square, right? Plus 9a square and minus, this will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3 will be 12, so 12ax is less than, similarly we can open square on this side, 4x square plus 16a square minus, this will be plus because this is plus, so 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4 will be 16, 16a and x, so this will be our this side. Now these two we can cancel, and there's no other cancellation, so 9a square and this, so we can shift this 12, this one 12a minus 12ax as it is, and ax is over here, so minus 16ax, we can shift this to this side, and this 9a square we can shift to this side, so minus 9a square plus 16a square. So this will be, on this side will be 7a squared, and this side will be minus 28ax. Now we can divide this by, basically we need to find the value of x, so we can divide by minus 28. A we can cancel on both sides, and 1a will be cancelled, so this will be minus 28x is less than 7a. And now we can divide this by divide. Okay, next step we can divide, because we'll have to change the equality sign also. So x will be greater than, because we are dividing by a negative number, 7a over minus 28, so x is greater than, this will be 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 4a. This will be our answer. Now question number 4a part, solve the equation this giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So we'll have to give answer to correct to 2 significant figures, 3 significant figures. So this is basically 2x and x. We can put, for example, 5 raised to the power x is equal to y. We can replace, and after replacing this we will get quadratic equation in terms of y. So y square, this can be written as y square plus y is equal to 12. 12 we can shift to the other side, so y square plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation, and we can solve, and we can write y plus 4 and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 3. And now we can reverse this substitution. So this will be 5x is equal to minus 4 and 5 raised to power x is equal to 3. So these will be the two values, and there is no such power which is having a negative answer. So we will be saying for this portion, we'll be saying no solution. No solution for this one, and for this one we can use calculator to solve, or we can use log also. So I will use calculator first. So 5 raised to the power alpha x and equal to, this will be equal to 3, and solve. We can shift this one, solve for x is equal to 1, and this will be equal to, we'll have to wait, 0 point, so x is equal to 0.6826 basically, and 0.6. so we can write this one, and then we can write up to 3 significant figures. This is approximately equal to 0.68 and 3. So this will be our answer. If you want to use log method, so this will be, we can move page, and log method is also easier. So you can just 5x is equal to 3, take log on both sides, so x log of 5 is equal to log of 3, so x will be equal to log of 3 over log of 5. And if you just calculate this, log of so we can take fraction, log of 3 over log of 5, this will be equal to 0.6. Same answer, you will get 0.683. This will be approximate solution, so you can use any of these two methods. Then for B part, it is given that log of y plus 5 minus log of y is equal to 2 log of x. So express this one in a form not involving logarithm. So we'll have to just, this is like log a minus b will be log a over b. So we'll write log of y plus 5 over y like this is equal to 2 log of x, and this 2 log of x 2 also we can shift as a power. So this will be, we'll be shifting this as power like this. Now this one we can leave log on both sides or take anti-log on both sides. So leaving log, this will be over y is equal to x square, and this one we can basically find the value of y also. So divide everything, we can write separately, y over y will be 1 plus 5 over y is equal to x square. We can write like this one, and 1 we can shift to other side, so 5 over y is equal to x square minus 1. So now we can, basically we need the value of y, so y make subject, y is equal to 5 over x square minus 1, and this will be our answer. Hopefully you got this as well. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is saying diagram is given. Diagram shows the curve y is equal to sine 2x over x plus 2 for this range. The x coordinate of maximum point M is denoted by alpha. So this is alpha value, this x value is alpha. So for M, this for midpoint, x value of midpoint M is maximum point, sorry, not midpoint. This maximum point is m, and x value for this m is alpha. Find dy by dx and show that alpha satisfies the equation tan 2x is equal to 2x plus 4. So this is given, y is equal to sine 2x over x plus 2, and dy by dx derivative we will be finding, and we know dy over dx is in case of u over v format. U over v format will be v u dash plus minus u v dash minus u v dash over v square. So this will be the formula which we will be applying, and we can write dy over dx is equal to square of this one, x plus 2 whole square. Here this one as it is, x plus 2 as it is, and derivative of sine 2x will be 2 cos 2x. So 2 cos 2x and minus sine 2x as it is, sine 2x as it is, and derivative of this one will be 1, so no need to write 1. Then we will be replacing dy by dx is equal to for the maximum point maximum point dy by dx we can write at m dy by dx is equal to 0, and x value will be equal to alpha. So we are replacing these two values, dy by dx. One second, I'll move the page. Yes. So at m maximum point, dy by dx will be 0 and x will be equal to alpha. So these two values we are replacing in this equation, and we will get alpha plus 2, x plus 2 will get alpha plus 2, and 2 cos 2 alpha, and minus sine 2 alpha over alpha plus 2 whole alpha, and this will be dy by dx is equal to 0. It means numerator is equal to 0, so we will ignore the denominator. Basically we can ignore denominator because dy by dx is equal to 0, so we can just, easiest way is to take numerator is equal to 0. So this numerator will be equal to 0. So alpha plus 2 cos 2 alpha minus sine 2 alpha is equal to 0, and this one we can shift this to other side, so we can write alpha plus 2 into this 2 is equal to sine of 2 alpha over this cos of 2 alpha, and this one we can write tan 2 alpha, and this one we can open 2 alpha plus 4 is equal to tan 2 alpha. Hopefully you understood this question. Let us move to the next B part. Show by calculation that alpha lies between 0.6 and 0.7. So the same answer which we got in part A, we can start from there. So 2x plus 4 is equal to tan 2x or 2 alpha over 2x. Now if it is 0.6, if we take this one 0.6, so what will be the situation? It will be 2 into 0.6 plus 4 is equal to tan of 2 into 0.6. This will be the situation, and if we solve it, 2 multiplied by 0.6 and this one plus 4 is equal to 5.2, so this will be 5.2, and this side if we calculate tan of 2 into 0.6, or we can multiply first. 2 into 0.6 is equal to this one. So tan of answer will be equal to 0.02. Basically we have to find directly tan of 2 into 0.6. 2 into 0.6 will be equal to, again, you will have to be careful. We are taking radian mode, we are taking degree mode, we will have to take radian mode. So tan of 2 into 0.6, now directly we can find this will be 2.5. So we can write this side 2.5, so this will be greater than this. And now we can take 0.6 and we will replace this is 0.7, basically 2 into 0.7 plus 4 is equal to tan of 2 into 0.7, and this value also we can check. This will be 2 into 0.7 plus 4, and this will be equal to 5.4. This side is 5.4, and this side also we can find tan of 2 into 0.7, and this will be equal to 5.79. So if you check, this side is greater. Basically if we want explanation for that, this will be like this one, and curve is like this. This is the maximum value, which is alpha over here, and we are saying that 0.6 is over here and 0.7 is over here. So this alpha lies in between these two values. So this is what for 0.6 we are getting this one 5.2, and for this one we are getting 5.7 on this side. On this side we are getting 2.5, and this one. So this value, alpha value, lies in between 0.6 and 0.7. Hopefully you understood this. Now C part, use the interval in iterative formula. This is iterative formula basically given to find the value of alpha correct to 3 decimal places. Give the result of each iteration to 5 decimal places. So this is the formula. We can copy this formula. X n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2x n plus 4. So we will be typing this formula and this. So we will type this formula. Your calculator should be in radian mode. This is what you will have to be careful. Now we will be typing this one. 1 by 2 tan inverse tan, sorry, I'll have to move this. So inverse tan of 2x. So 2x we will be using alpha, and 2x plus 4, and this one. So after this we will be calculating. We will press calculate. First we will be calculating x naught, which is for 0.6 value. So we will start with 0.6. So calculate for x is equal to 0.6. We will be giving 0.6 and equal to button. This will be 0. So x1 will be equal to 0.69040. We will be writing 5 decimal places. They are asking for 5 decimal places. So I have written 5 decimal places. Now for again we will solve. Basically calculate for this one. This value we will be giving 0.69040, and we will get this one. This will be x2 value. This will be 0.69040, 3, 5 and 2. This is 5 digit we have taken. Now again we will calculate for this next value, which will be x3, and we will type this one 0.69352, and this will be equal to 0.6936 36 and 3. We can round this. Then for next value x4 we will be okay, sorry, now this is, now we can again calculate for this value 0.69363 0.69363, and this will be giving us 0.69363, and this is up to 4. We are getting repeated value, but we can check for one more. X5 also we can check. We'll again calculate 0.69363, and this will be getting 0.69363. so we are getting repeated number. So our answer up to 3 decimal places we can write alpha is equal to 0.123. so if we remove this one, so this will be 0.694. so this will be our answer. Hopefully you got this as well. Question number 6. Parametric equation of a curve are these two equations are given. Show that dy by dx is equal to this. This is a chain rule formula. Basically we can use this dy by dx. dy over dx is equal to dy by dt into dt over dx. So we'll be finding dy by dt first, dy over dt, and we have y is equal to this one. So 4t as it is. 4, this is basically u into v formula. So u will be t and v will be e raised by t. So derivative of first derivative of t will be 1. So we can write here 1 and e raised by t, and then plus 4t as it is, and derivative of e raised by t will be e raised by t as it is. So we'll write this, and this will be 4 e raised by t into basically we can take common 4 e raised by t, and this will be t plus 1. So this will be the simplified forms. And dx by dt also we can find. Dx by dt will be derivative of this one will be e raised to the power, basically e raised by 2t as it is, and derivative of 2t will be 2. So we can write here 2. This will be our answer for dx by dt. Now we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt into dt over dx. So dy by dt is this one, 4e raised by t into t plus 1 divided by dx by dt. We have to invert it, and this one will be 2e raised by 2t, and 2 can be cancelled, we'll get 2, and so final answer will be 2 into basically e raised by t also will cancel with 1, so it will be t plus 1 over e raised to the power t. This will be our answer. Hopefully you understood this question as well. dy over dt will be this answer. B part, find the equation of normal to the curve at the point where t is equal to 0. So normal, so at t is equal to 0, so we'll find dy by dx at t is equal to 0, and dy by dx we got in the previous question, which is 2 and t plus 1, so 0 plus 1 over e raised by t, so e raised by 0. So we have replaced t is equal to 0 in the previous part's answer, and this will be e raised by 0 will be 1, so this will be 2 only. So now this is the derivative at t is equal to 0. This is the gradient at t is equal to 0. Now gradient of the normal, slope of the normal will be equal to reciprocal and change sign, so minus 1 by 2. And for C is equal to, for point C, for C, x will be 0, and we can replace this x is equal to 0 in the given equation, and the given equation is x is equal to 2 raised to the power e raised by 2t, e raised to the power 2t, and in this one we can replace this x is equal to 0, so we'll get 0 is equal to e raised to the power 2t. Now we have to find basically the value of t, and to find value of t we can take log on both sides, so log of 0 is equal to 2t log of e, and this will be t will be equal to 1 by 2, and now we can write the equation y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. This is the slope which we found. Y is equal to, basically y is equal to mx plus c format. So this is y-intercept, and this is the slope minus 1 by 2 which we got over here, minus 1 by 2, and this is the y-intercept because it's intercepting at this one, 1 by 2. Hopefully you understood this. This is the answer. Next part is question number 7. Integration show that tan square x plus cos square x is equal to secant square x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 1 by 2, and hence find the exact value of this one. So right hand side we can take one side. For example, we are taking this side, secant square x, and secant square x we know. Okay, so we can take this side, tan square x plus cos square x, and tan square x we know is equal to secant square x minus 1. So this is the formula which we will be utilizing. So tan square x we will be replacing with secant square x. Our equation will become secant square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So this will be our equation. Now we write this one as this will be our left hand side. So we can take 1 by 2 common from here, so it will be secant square x, and basically we can take plus 1 by 2 common, and this will be 2 cos square x and minus 2. If we take 1 by 2 common from these two, we'll get this, and then we can basically use the formula 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. This is another formula which we can use and change this one to cos 2x. So our equation will become secant square x plus 1 by 2. This will become cos 2x minus 1 by 2, and this will be our right hand side. This is secant square x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 1 by 2. So this is how we can prove this one. Now we have to integrate this. So integral from 0 to pi by 4, and we'll have to integrate this one. This one means basically this, so we can write this secant square x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 1 by 2. We'll have to take integral of this, and we can integrate this. This will be integral of secant square x is tan x, so tan x plus 1 by 4 cos, not cos, it will be sine, because integral of cos x is sine x, so sine 2x over 2, so 2 will be adjusted over here. I'll move the page so that you can see properly. Yes, so this is secant square x will be changed to integral will be changing it to tan x, and plus this will be 1 by 2, but this 2 divided by 2 will be, I have accommodated over here, so this will be sine of 2x over 2 over 2 will be multiplied by 2 and we'll get 1 by 4. So this is so far we have done, and this will be minus 1 by 2x integral of 1 by 2, and the limits will be over here 0 and pi by 4. Now we can put the upper limit first, so tan pi by 4, we will write tan pi by 4 plus 1 by 4 of sine pi by 2, 1 by 4 of sine pi by 2, because this is 2x, and minus this will be pi by 8, and if we replace 0, tan 0 will be 0, this will be 0, and this one will be 0, so I'm just writing only this portion, and then we have to just solve it. So tan pi by 4 will be 1, and this one will be 1 by 4, because sine pi by 2 is also 1, and minus pi by 8, and if we solve this with calculator, this one will be 5 by 4, and this will be minus pi by 8, and this can be answer, or you can solve with calculator and you will get 0.85730098183. so this is basically the calculator answer, and this is the answer, so equivalent answer. This will also work. Hopefully you got this part as well. Now B part, question 7, B part. The diagram is provided. The region enclosed by the curve y is equal to tan x plus cos x, and lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 4 pi and y is equal to 0 is shown in the diagram. So find the exact volume of the solid produced when this region is rotated completely about the x-axis. So basically this is the shaded portion which photocopy is not printing, is a little dim, so I'm just shading this so that you can understand. This is the shaded part in the question, so we will be solving this part. Now integral, again we can take integral 0 to pi by 4, and pi, it will be rotated to this one completely, and so we can write tan x plus cos x whole square. This is rotation basically, equation dx. So this is the given equation, tan x plus cos x, and we are rotating through rotated completely about x-axis. So this will be our equation. Now we have to integrate it. So integral 0 to pi by 4 and pi as it is, and tan x, integral of tan x will be basically this will be square also. So square will have to open square first, will be opening square. This will be tan square x plus cos square x plus 2 tan x cos x. This is just opening the square, and then dx as it is. After opening square, we will move this one. Okay, so after opening square, we can write this pi, integral of 0 to pi by 4, and we can write this one, this square separately, tan square x plus cos square x dx. I'm writing integral of this one separate, and plus integral of this one also separate 2 pi. This one will be 2 into pi, and integral from 0 to 4 pi by 4, and this will be tan x. We can write sin x over cos x, sin x over cos x into cos x and dx. So I have separated the integral for these two, and integration for this one we have calculated in the previous part, which is a part. So that one I will directly copy, and answer to this integral we got was 5 by 4 minus pi by 8, or 1 by 8 pi, and this one. And now we have to just solve this one, and this will be plus 2 pi, and this cos will be cancelled with this, and integral of 0 to pi by 4 sin x. Integral of sin x will be minus cos x, and we will take limits 0 to pi by 4, and this will be, we can write this one as 5 by 4. So we will write here 5 by 4 minus pi by 8 and plus 2 pi, and this one upper limit will be replacing first, so we will get minus under root 2 over 2, basically cos pi by 4 we can check, cos of pi by 4, so pi over 4 will be equal to under root 2 over 2, so we can write this one, plus cos 0 will be 1, so it will be 1 here, basically like this one. So now we can multiply this, so we'll get pi into 5 by 4 minus pi over 8, plus this will be multiplied. When you multiply this, this will be 2 pi. I will write so pi we can keep outside, and 2 we will multiply, so plus we will write first, and then minus 2 will be cancelled, and under root 2 will be over here. So this is our final answer. The paper is done completely. Hopefully you understood the questions and explanation. I'll be waiting for your comments, and introduce this channel to your friends and your respected teachers also, and don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe Maths TV. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.